Hi guys, welcome back to Crafty Kids. In this video we'll be seeing how to make a paper bookmark. So for this activity we need a black pen or marker and a square piece of paper. So the first step is that we have to fold the paper diagonally. Now we have to take one piece of paper from the bottom and we have to fold it to the top like this. Now we have to fold both sides of the paper to the top point here. So after you're done with that, we have to open them back and we have to fold one side of the paper and we have to squeeze the other part in like this. So now I'm pressing on it and I'm repeating the same step on the other side as well. Now I'm opening it and I'm squeezing it in. So after we're done with that, I'm taking a black pen and I'm drawing two eyes here. Now I'm going to draw a mouth in the center part. Now our paper bookmark is ready. So this is a very easy way of making a bookmark and it is useful too. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Bye!